Hey, honey, how was everything? Oh, holy smokes, it's almost time for my conference call. Hi, LG. Give me more space. Perfect timing. Man, could I be any more professional? All right, everyone. Let's begin our meeting. Someone keeps stealing my shrimp, and I would like to start up top by... Sean! Huh. And I'm done for. There goes Mr. Professional. It's been a long time since the three of us went out. Maybe I should bust out that camping trip I've been planning. All right, that's a good camping location. Weather seems pretty crummy. That's never stopped me before. What is going on downstairs?
Pick that